This is the key fob for a Toyota wheelchair accessible van. It's going to have your lock and unlock buttons, your power passenger door buttons, and it's also going to have a power rear hatch button. In order to deploy the ramp on a wheelchair accessible Toyota, you are going to push and hold the passenger side door button until the door opens, and then the ramp will deploy and the vehicle will kneel to allow a wheelchair accessible van access. Your audio controls are going to be here next to the touch screen. You've got menus, the power volume. If you'd like to change the station, you can use these buttons over here. Our heat and AC functions are here. You can choose which mode you'd like it to be in here. You can turn the knobs to adjust the temperature. You can use the off button to shut it off. Here's the AC button, and then you can use these up and down arrows to increase or decrease the fan. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you're going to find the lights. It does have an auto feature. Make sure that if you turn it on the regular lights, you make sure to shut it off before you exit the vehicle. On the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you're going to see the windshield wipers.